So, yung calories ng burgers around 585, I think. Sa McDo kasi nakikita yun minsan. So, for alternative, ako kasi mas pinipili ko ng steak and frites kasi mas madaling lutuin.
Burger usually may calories siya na 250 to 1,000 depende sa burger and ingredients. And kung maghanap ka ng alternative for a burger, might as well go for plant-based burger na nagre-range lang ng 150 to 250 calories.
Yung burger, usually na-base yung calorie niya from 200 to 1,000. Same dun sa, kung depende sa kung anong burger yung gusto mo. For alternatives, it depends naman kung gusto mo kung gusto mo ba ng higher intake ng calories or nagda-diet ka less. So kung siguro kung less, pwede ka home alternatives. Pwede kang gumawa ng sandwich na chicken tuna, but make sure yung bread is whole wheat. Kung gusto mo mag-less intake ng calories. But if you want higher calories, you can go for beefs, steaks. Kung nag-goal ka ng mas mataas na weight. Yun lang. Thank you.
Sa pizza, ang kadalasan na calories is 200 to 300. Nakadepende rin siguro sa flavor niya. Tapos, kung anong pwedeng alternative is siguro chicken shawarma wrap. Since pag chicken shawarma wrap, pwedeng gumamit ng chicken breast. Tapos, kung anong pwedeng idagdag na gulay, ganun. Mas mas less calories compare sa pizza.
Usually yung 5 pieces of chicken nuggets sa mga restaurant is around 200 to 300 calories. Yung alternative naman sa mga ganun, mga fast food nuggets is homemade chicken nuggets na walang skin, which falls around 100 to 200 calories. So,
French fries, mga 350 calories. Then, healthy food, tofu. Fried tofu, steamed tofu, mushroom. Yan. For protein gain.